Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card for your career situation, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that. That may give you more clarity in your circumstances, Cancers. So let's start with these cards. We have Emperor, Tower, and Queen of Water. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Cancers, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really skilled and talented. You have a lot of experience today, and you are someone who has a particular beliefs and ideals for yourself, and you hold on to that, and you have a lot of experience, and people come to you for your ideas or guidance, guys. And maybe, Cancers, you are in a in an important position, important job. Maybe you're working with the government or schools, some position that holds a lot of authority, or maybe your person, you are dealing with that person who is working in a bank, or they are in a good position in their career, guys. So you have a lot of rules, or they have a lot of rules they need to follow, or they follow it for their satisfaction, and they are trying to stick to that, being really stubborn and holding on, because they feel that that is what has made them successful, and they don't want to give up their ideals or beliefs, whatever they have, guys. And maybe in this relationship with this person you love, you are seeing some changes happening in this relationship, guys. Maybe your circumstances are quite challenging. There may be some arguments or some fights with this person. So, for some of you, it may be something bad, something stressful, but you need to understand that if you want a deep, meaningful relationship with someone, you will have these sudden outbursts. Maybe emotionally, you will feel really stressed, and there will be lot of arguments and fights in a very long relationship. But you should not give up that love you have for each other, but must give up that conflicting ideas, or the ideas of opposing each other. So you must give only that up, and try to find that understanding when you listen, or when you let that other person listen to you, and the same way you listen to them, you will try and find an understanding, and that is going to strengthen this love, guys. So the arguments and fights you have with this person you love, it is simply going to transform your love, your relationship. It is going to make it much more stronger and better, and you are going to find the right way to heal. So you will know what this person is when you argue or fight, the truth comes from their through their words. So you will clearly know what this person is, what they are thinking, and you both will have a better understanding of each other. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 5 of Earth. So with this card, maybe this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about them. Maybe you have not understood them clearly. You have not had that opportunity, maybe, guys, but today you are getting that opportunity to understand them. Maybe you have seen them through your own personal lens and not seen the reality. Maybe if you do that, you will see what a beautiful person they are, and you will work towards a more meaningful connection, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 4 of Earth. So in your career situation also, guys, things are changing. Something may happen that may be beyond your expectation for your future. So your plans may get delayed or suspended. But you need to understand that it is for your own good. Things are happening in this way, and at the right time things will shape up, and you are building a strong foundation in your career, and divine order is what is working today. So in that order, in that divine order, everything will happen at the right time, guys. Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today, it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship. And patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest, so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy. You have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.